Thanks to Nykaa Hot Pink Sale, I got it for 368. गाइज वेलकम टू माई चैनल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में आप सबको स्वागत है। আমার यूट्यूब चैनल তোমার সবাইকে স্বাগত। I am Megha Ghosh, in short MG, and you're watching MG Styles. So I'm back with yet another haul video, and today I'm going to share whatever the makeup and skincare I bought from the Nykaa Hot Pink Sale. It was really quite hot. As you can see, my background and everything has changed for now because my room is getting renovated. Till then we'll manage with this corner. Once everything is done, you will see me with a new background. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So today I have mostly products from Plum and K Beauty. So first let's begin with Plum. So I've got the Plum Vanilla range, which I have been eyeing for the longest time, and in this Hot Pink Sale they were really giving good offers on this range. So I got some body care products from Plum. So firstly I have this Plum Body Lovin' Body Mist in the flavor Vanilla Vibes. So this is how the packaging looks, and the bottle is really very pretty. So this is the bottle. So this one retails for 525, but thanks to Nykaa Hot Pink Sale I got this for 368 rupees, and this smells amazing. Like right now, oh my god, this smells so good. Like you will literally feel like if you are a fan of vanilla, you will love this. So this will last you for the longest time. Like it lasted me 5 to 6 hours. If you like sweet smell, like it's not too sweet, because even I don't like very sweet smells. So I think I really got this at a very good deal, and I'm completely loving this product. If you are on a budget, this is something you can definitely try. And I have this Plum body oil from the same range, that is the Vanilla Vibes, and the bottle C. First, appreciate how beautiful this looks. Like this is very cute, and like you know what happens when you carry oils while traveling, there is a possibility that it will fall and all, but I think this cap is really sturdy. Like this will not make everything oily, like this will not leak, so which is a good thing. And the bottle also looks very pretty. And again, coming to the smell, I think this range has totally got it. Like it's amazing, and trust me, this will also last you quite a long time. And coming to the main reason why you buy an oil, so coming to that moisturizing thing, this will really keep your skin moisturized for a good amount of time. So this is again also very good. If you love your body, invest in this Plum Body Loving Body Oil. So this is not a sponsored video. Anyways, I absolutely love this. The smell is also amazing. It's affordable, especially if you can grab this on sale. So this one retails for 550 rupees, and I got this for 385 rupees, which is amazing. If you really want my suggestion, the one thing that you will buy is this one. Like this whole range, this is totally a win-win product. This is very light. Like when you apply, this will not be very heavy on your skin. So this is something you can apply throughout the year, and especially if you're oily skin type and you want to apply some oil in summer or in winter, this is something you can definitely go for. Next up, I have another product from the same range. It's the Plum Body Lovin' Body Butter Vanilla Vibes again, and I'm a little upset with this product. Like, when it comes to the smell, like not a big fan of the smell. Like it comes to the same range, but the smell is quite different, and I don't really like it. But I think they have really done good packaging. Like here you get this thing which you need to open, and it's quite a huge amount. And again, smell is not good. Those two, when it comes to smell, I really love it, but this one, the smell is not that great. Coming to the moisturizing part, it's really good moisturizer. It will really make your skin that buttery smooth. Yeah, so the product is really good. So if you want a moisturizer but you're not concerned about the smell and all, you can definitely give this a shot. But coming to the smell, those two products are totally win-win. But this one, the smell is a little off. So that is all what I got from Plum. But as I bought on Nykaa Hot Pink Sale, I got this Plum Face Mask free. So I had this thing way before. Like I've used one tub of this, but this time I got this free, which is really amazing. Like getting a full-size product free is something I really love. So I got this face mask. This is the Plum Green Tea Clear Face Mask, and I used to use this for my pimples and stuff. Like, yeah, I used to love their green tea range. I have said this before. If you are having, you know, pimples and all, you can try, give this a shot, because I have used it before and I like it. That's all what I got from Plum. And now let's go into some makeup. So I got this K Beauty foundation, which I have been eyeing for the longest time. I have heard so many good stuff about this foundation, and I really wanted to try this, but this is a little expensive. Like, this one retails for 1,200, and in sale I got this for 900, which I think is great. And this is in the shade 155 White Tan, and this actually matches me. This is how the bottle looks like, sleek and tall. I have not tried it like full face, but I will try it and let you know. I'm planning to do a review. A sheer to medium coverage foundation. It claims that it will give you that second skin wala look, so I will try this and I will let you guys know my thoughts on it, and I will try this and let you guys know if it's really worth the money, because it's quite expensive. So think before you invest in this. I will also review another product from K Beauty, so wait for that. They were having this offer, like if you like, this one came down to 900, right? And if you buy for 1,000, you get a full size lipstick free of any shade that you will not know. See कि 100 में क्या मिलता है. So I got this nail polish, which retails for 200 rupees, but they were having offers on that also. So I got this K Beauty का nail polish for 135 rupees to avail an offer of 1,000. So yeah, I generally, you will never see me buying this expensive nail polish. Like, this one retails for 200 and I got this for 135, which I think is expensive. I never invest so much on nail polishes. But anyways, this is the color. It's a good nail polish, and this is what I'm wearing right now. It's a good nail polish, but I never buy such expensive nail polish. But I got a lipstick free, like that's a full size lipstick that retails for 800, so fine. I got this lipstick for free, which is a wine color, like wine color only, yeah. So please excuse this thing. So this is a lipstick, but one thing I will say is I got this for free, but it's expiry date, you will know. I just saw it like now and my heart is broken. Expiry date is February 2022. Like, this is 21 to 20. So I don't know, that is very bad. Like, brands should not do this. Like, this is the lipstick. So this is the color. It's a pretty color, like you wear it, it's nice. I would have given this a thumbs up if the expiry date was like, it is manufactured in 2019, 2021. Okay, very bad. That's why you get this for free, na? Okay, chalega. I hope I get some weddings in this year so that I can wear this. Anyways, so that is all what I got. Very less stuff. Again, I will see like buy stuffs on sale. I've saved so much on that range, like the Plum Vanilla range. Like I was eyeing that, and I kept that in my cart for the longest time. Like, it was like 1,600 something total milake. But I got this for around 1,000 the whole set. So you can understand, like, there's a huge gap between that. So the Plum range. So buy stuff in sale, wait and buy. Because, and also one thing again I would suggest, when you're buying on sale, check the expiry dates. Alright, this was for free, so मेरे को नहीं पता था. I didn't know कि क्या होगा, because they will send whatever is in stock. But whenever you are buying some stuff, just check the expiry date. Make sure that it will last you, at least makeup products, it will last you more 2 to 3 years, because makeup खत्म नहीं होता है. Body care and all, skin care and all, they खत्म हो जाता है. But make sure whenever you're buying on sale, check the expiry dates. So yeah, and wait for the sales and buy. You will save a lot of money. So yeah, that is it for the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will come with many more hauls. Many are pending. Like, I couldn't shoot videos for 1 month, so many hauls are pending, so those are coming your way, so wait for that. So that is it for today's video, and if you have enjoyed this video, then you guys know what to do. So yeah, we'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.